الصبح بدا من طلعته والليل دجى من وفرته.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah said in the Holy Quran after Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ. Today is Monday, the 7th of October. We are FGRF team in the south of Gaza Strip, specifically in Deir al-Balah, engaged in the vital task of distributing clean drinking water to displaced families who are facing the stark reality of deprivation. The hard situation here has caused diseases to spread because there isn't enough clean drinking water. Through your unwavering support, we've been able to provide this essential resource, hoping we can provide more and more, inshallah, with your generous and continuous support. Jazakumullahu khair.